First, it's the bill. Why? First, the bill. And then second is your bill. Your bill. Why is it? Why? In building a house, you need the things. You need the wood. You need the lobby. You need the people that you pay. So meaning, in building a house, you need money. You get where? Magutang ka. Now, kapila nakaputang sa pan. Na nagka-build a house. Tapos yan yung pangkalan. Pangkalan. So first, you set an income. Where you get the money, where that is meaning in the bill. That is why it says first you drop in the first, second. What does it mean? So the principle here regarding so what is the principle? So first there are things that have to be done. This is the first. What does it mean? You don't mix music, you don't first, then first, second, then second, first, and then so the principle here, you have to pay the process meaning okay, that is the principle. So first and the second and the third and the fourth, it's like that. That is the process. And then last, that's the meaning. Now, ang deaf culture is not process. Then meaning that is wrong. Ang God principle is God is in order. Ang English word for that is order, meaning not sana mix up. So, that is in God's own culture. God's own culture. Everything is that. It's not. Okay. So that is because of this. So that is first. Okay. Second. Okay. So what does it mean? Here it is building a house. Actually, ang verse 23, it is the principle is God, but it's the same with the person on wisdom. Kasi ang God wisdom is different. When Jesus, He teaches the people that is based in Matthew chapter 6, He explained first, third, God. Okay? So first, God. What does it mean? I give you example. For example, you have money. Okay, you have money. And then you do like that, whatever you plan, you build a house. But you learn that God has need. So it's first and God to the money. So you give it to God, and the second God will give you. So first, that is what it means. So here the principle here is order. So what does it mean of order? First and God, and the last. Kasi for example, you have money and you do like that. Ang God you first. And ang budget mo na, you give it to the doctor, you give it to the hospital, you give it to the medicine. Ang gonna profit mo na nila. Now you understand, that is the meaning. So the principle we learn in verse 27 is first God and second your own. Okay, so that is the meaning. So first there is the pill, and second the pill. You don't do like that. You don't mix it up or what. No. It's a beautiful principle that we learn. Ang definite. For example, you will suffer. Why you cannot? Why our life happen? Sorry, it is God responsible. You not. Understand? That is why another, again, I give you a story with one man. He's rich. So what did he do? Oh, I am rich. I have built much. So the house is small. I will collapse it, and I will build the big one. So when I have the harvest, I do like that, and it will be do like that, and I will be rich, and I will just do like that. I will just eat and do like that and be happy. And then ang God, come on, merciful, kasi sorry, tomorrow you die. Ang person cannot. This is important yan ang word ng God. It's important that we obey. It's important that we base. It's important that we sorry, you will fail. You will fail. So that is the example here. Principle 27. First God, and last yourself. Okay? Now, verse 28. Here, again, there is the word reason. Ang deaf many, sorry, don't understand what do you mean by reason. Do you know what do you mean by the meaning by reason? What does it mean? Can you tell me? Reason. What does it mean ng reason? Can deaf in the bond? Can you tell me the meaning of reason? Can you tell me what does it mean? Ang sign niyan, reason. No, it's not thinking. No, it's different. It's reason. No. Ito sa limbara, may si mga dip nagaganyan-ganyan, but the meaning hindi alam. Yeah. Reason. Thank you, si Monica. Thank you, Monica, that you answer. Reason. Reason is first God. No. It's different, Monica. It's different. Reason. No. It's different, Federico. Ang reason is is different. No, Martin is not. It's no reason. Reason. Thank you, baby. No, it's not the reason kasi you worry and in the future you die. No, it's not reason, it's not. Can you understand? Yeah. Susan, you give me, it's not the meaning. Si Susan, you give me the example. That is example, Susan. You show me the example. Reason. Yeah, the same kay TJ is the same. That is example. But si Tusalim, what does it mean? Okay. Very good. Si Hazel, he has meaning. Yeah, a little bit si Hazel. So si Hazel says, ang reason is the meaning your own idea. Yes. Ang reason is your own idea. Okay? But that meaning is kulang. Hazel, that meaning is kulang. Yeah, it's kulang. JR, no. Ang, okay, it's okay. We limit. Okay. Ang me kasi ito sa may ask, reason, what does it mean? So si Hazel, he has the answer. The reason is about your own idea. Okay, that's kulang. That's your own idea that you defend. That you defend. Yeah. I give you for example. That's their own idea. Kasi he defend her own idea kasi you defend. You're wrong. Her own idea at saka magganyan-ganyan. That is reason. The reason. Yeah. The meaning. So magde-depth practice kayo ng meaning. Now some of you inform me the example. Yeah, katulad kay Susan, that is example. Kay TJ, that is example. Yes, TJ. Meaning you reason, you son, your own idea ka, whatever yung nag-idea. Why you are late? Why? Kasi whatever that you do like that. Kasi the reason is you answer. Kasi there is a question, why? So you reason, meaning then you reason. You defend, you reason. Now, sometimes you do like that and then you say, oh, tama, not ka na nag-reason, wala. So, that is reason. Reason meaning you defend. You defend, that is reason. Yeah, that's right. Federico, sometimes your reason is right, but many times it's a lie. Yeah, it's right. Sometimes the reason is right. For example, that is tama. Okay. Sometimes your reason is right. Yeah, sometimes. So, ang word nga defend is not a negative. They are positive and negative. Like for example, the people, si Donald Trump, the people nag-ideya na ganyan. So, si Donald Trump, he defend, I called you to court. So, meaning, ang defend, some is positive, but many negative. Ang reason is the same. Some positive and some negative. Okay, so meaning it's negative. Why tama si Federico? Why? Because lie. So right si Federico. Some of the reason is lie, so that is negative. Sometimes your reason is honest and true, then it's positive. Yeah, the reason. Now you learn that one. Yes. No, Susan. Kasi sometimes your reason is honest and true. Yeah, for example, so you're honest. Yeah. So ang reason there too is right or wrong. The two. Yeah, so like that. Yes, many JR, there are many reasons kasi it's reason, there are many, yes, like that. Yes, Frank. So sometimes ganyan. Yeah, it's like that. Now, that kasi ang reason there are two. The right and the wrong. Ang reason there are two. The honest or the fake. Okay, so that is like that. So here, it says here. So for example, if there is no reason, wala ka meaning, wala. There is no reason, wala. You don't accuse the never well. Like for example here in Taliban, the dog 3 namatay, and then the chicken, and maybe 4 or 5, the chicken namatay. So si Ricardo, he informed sa kay Darwin. Si Darwin yan. And then si Darwin, what he did, he do like that sa barangay. And then he went there to the house kasi here the Taliban, the deaf here, and then kay Leo there, that is their dog. So si Darwin with the barangay, and then the people, mga servant ni Deo, nag-reason sila, So they lie. Yeah, it's like that. So sometimes ang never, kasi the important is the never. So here in verse 27 it says, if you have no reason, you don't accuse the neighbor well. Okay. So because the neighbor, they are wrong, they free the dog, and then the dog not come to us here, and then they kill the chicken and the duck. Okay. So that is example. Now here in verse 28 it says, the reason wala, you should not accuse the neighbor. Wag. Okay. What and the things different false, you don't sign wag. So meaning, if for example your house like that. No, ang providence ng God is you should not do like that. If you have no reason, you do like that. Okay? Why is it like that? Ito sa I explain. Kasi ang God's culture, God used anyone to help God's own people. So for example, Christian house, and this is your neighbor. Yeah, that is your neighbor. Now sometimes you have problem, and then you have problem. How make help me? So you go to the ride a jeep, and then you do like that, and you ride a bus, and then until you reach to your relative, at saka mag whatever, mag-bar, whatever, ganyan your problem, and then you think, you hope that they will help you. Now ang God's culture is different. Ang God's culture is, if you have problem, what will you do? You pray and you ask God. Why? Kasi ang God na siya nag-depend sa relative, nag-depend sa mother, father, brother, sister. No. Ang God niya nag-depend niya His own power. So if you have problem, it's your neighbor to help you. That is why ang God's culture yan. Ang God's culture. Ang neighbor, wag mo i-gossip. Wag mo accuse nga mag-idea ka. Wag ka mag-jealous. Your neighbor, ang si Jesus teaching, kay Jesus thinks, your neighbor, you love. Why? Because in the future, there is happen and problem. Ang God, He will use that. Why? Because He is near. Your relative is very far. God cannot use them, but God used them. Okay? So meaning your neighbor, wag ka mag-jealous, wag may ganun, that is in verse 27, wag ka mag-idea dyan nga mag-invento ka at saka you do like that, you disgrace. What? You love. So in the future, God will use that one. So here in Talipan, our neighbor is Darwin. Yeah. So we love. And then what they do, si Freddy Boy, and he came here, and after that, si Freddy, he saw yung daughter ni Darwin, they clean the gate. You see, they clean it. Kasi we love our neighbors, so God used them to do like that. And then the wife ni Darwin, si Rochelle, ang name ng wife ni Darwin, si Rochelle. Si guard. That if happened to the person knew, he will call Darwin. Yes, they do like before there is happened here, and then I think it was ganyan pagkatapos later on I saw si Darwin. So the guard, so that is ang meaning ng neighbor. Ang neighbor, you stop ka mag-jealous, wag mag-gossip dyan, mag-persecute. Wow. You love that neighbor because God, He will use that neighbor to help you. That is in verse 27. So it's like that. And then here in verse 29, so now you understand. So meaning in verse 29, it says here, now you say, oh, now I am my enemy that for me. Now I do like that and revenge. And then the Proverbs sign, no. Wow. So again, the Proverbs explain. Now sometimes your neighbor, they are evil sometimes. So what you do if they are evil, that they do like that, what will you do? You do like that, then the answer no. Oh, it's like for example, if your neighbor, yung mga basura, he will do like that to your friends, and they do like that, and then and you do like that, so there will be war, there will be fighting. That is why here ang Proverbs ni Jesus explain, if your neighbor, or for example there is fighting, you don't what you do like that, you pray, responsible, and like that. In fact, si Jesus, he teach your neighbor that do like that to you, you better you give him. And then mag-shy siya at saka mag-stop. That is what it means. So, if we try to analyze the Proverbs chapter 24, verse 27, 28, 29, these three things that is God's own Proverbs that teach to become wise. How it's important first and then last. So the question, who is the first? It's important God is the first, and then you can anything that last. That is principle one. The second, who is near? Who is near? Yes, you love. Well, you see, you don't do like that. You love kasi God will use that person. But sometimes who is near, maybe he did like that to you, so what you do is kasi God will be responsible to do like that. So, meaning for all of you that you learn in your life, first in your family, it's important that you think who is the first. God is the first. The second, your neighbor, you have to love. And the third, if there is bad, they did like that to you, what you do, you don't do like that. God is responsible. So verse 27, 28, 29, that is example of the Proverbs that God give us, that you have to obey, kasi ang word ng God, it helps you, it guides you to live right. Okay? So, thank you for the learning. That is why meaning you're evil with your life. Your life, do you true ang first ang God, or ang God last, and you are wrong. The second, your neighbor, you should not do like that word. You do like that, meaning mag-negative ka word. And the third, if he did like that to you, it's alright. You don't do like that, but God will be responsible. And there are peace, and you are wise, and God bless you. So meaning there is no conflict. How can you solve? One thing is you continue to study, mag-learn ka later in the happen in the field you met, and then you inform them, you explain. That's one. Second, you continue to pray. Pray for them. That is, si Jesus, he advised your enemy, you pray for your enemy. And then you live them. Wag ka mag-fight, wag mag-argue. Life is very hard. Please think about death nga ganyan. Okay? We do like that. Yeah, we do like that. And we thank God that God gave us life. And the word that God teaches us will learn. And tomorrow is Sunday. We worship God. Stop. Do like that. Give us rest. God will bless us. Yes, thank you. That's what God bless us.